Hi guys, it's me again, your maestra. My name is Judy. Today I'm gonna teach you how to say let's go in Bisaya. Let's go. In Bisaya we say tara na. Tara na. Tara na. Okay, the short version is tara. But if you want to put more emphasis, you add na. Tara na. Okay, tara na. You can just say tara. 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 Okay, let's go. If you want to put some emphasis, you add na. Tara na. That means you really have to go. Okay, you really have to go now. Tara na. That's a very easy phrase, guys. I know you can do it. Okay, let's do it again. Let's go. Tara. You can stop there. Tara. But if you want to give emphasis, you say tara na. Tara na. Tara na. Okay? And then with a nod, okay? With a nod like this, tara na. Just to give more emphasis that you really want to go now, okay? Tara na. Okay? So that's the end of our short video lesson. I'll see you next week for another lesson. Bye for now.